Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on adaptive battery mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for adaptive battery settings, we have to go to main menu settings. Then we are looking for our battery and device care menu here. And at the top we have our battery. The battery menu is hidden, so we have to just tap the battery here, and you can see we have all the options here. For example, we can use power saving mode, etc., but we are interested in more battery settings. And at the top we have adaptive battery options. So tap this little box, and now our battery will live a little bit longer. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.